This is our new model 24-inch DTF printer. It comes with dual XP600 heads. It's a very compact printer in 24-inch size. You can see the vertical design in the powder shaker. This reduces a lot of space. You can use this printer in just 5 by 8 feet of space. We have made this heater vertical so that it saves the space. The vertical heater continues the space saving architecture without compromising on the performance. Inside the powdering chamber, the film is powdered evenly, extra powder is tapped off automatically, and the film is cured and rolled here. It's an all-in-one smooth process. The dusting rod uses a soft silicone blade which makes very low sound, and here is the preheating plate. It removes the moisture from the film evenly during rainy or highly humid weather, so the powder never sticks to the edges, ensuring clean and professional output every time. Here you can see the printing is going on. This is the roll feeder at the back side. Our roll feeder comes with straight feed mechanism, so once you have loaded the film, it will be at the same position till 100 meters. Many machines have this feeding problem. Even the roll feeding is very easy. You can see it is just kept above the roll feeder. Moving ahead, the large ink tanks and the touchscreen panel makes daily operation smooth and user friendly. With a 24-inch roll, the printer achieves speed up to 8 meters per hour. This machine comes with our in-house developed software, Color Map Pro, designed to make printing hassle-free. You can print directly from PNG files without complicated editings. For a full walkthrough of the software, you can watch our detailed video on Color Map Pro. Like all our models, it has ink circulation and a pressurized ink system, preventing ink blockages. You can leave the machine unused for up to 4 days without worrying about the chokes or maintenance. The internal architecture is built for long-term industrial use with minimum downtime. This machine have two printer head options, XP600 and i3200. Print quality will be same in both heads, only the difference will be the printing speed. XP600 will give speed up to 8 meters per hour and i3200 will give up to 15 meters per hour. You can decide as per your production requirement. All our machines come with 1 year warranty on printer and 2 years warranty on the motherboard. And the best part, every product is manufactured in India, completely in-house, ensuring reliable service, spare part availability and long-term support. If you want to take a live demo, you can visit our factory in Nashik or connect with us on video call anywhere in India. If you cannot visit, we can courier you the printed samples. You can WhatsApp us now to request for sample and experience the print quality yourself.